Alright guys, I got an N63 2011 with 96k miles. Took it to BMW dealership. They changed a bunch of shit. Did the whole care package on it. But they gave it back to me. And now I'm hearing something from the engine. And what I'm hearing, I don't know if I can figure it out. I don't know if I didn't hear it before or if it's new. But it's like bothering me. It's like this tipping, tacking noise from over here, and I'm hearing it from over here too, but it's pretty loud. It's not like I haven't noticed it before. You guys think that's something serious? Hear it? I watched a couple videos. I know that it's sometimes the injectors sound something like this. Maybe it could be the injectors, but just to be on the safe side, I wanted to post a video, see if anybody has any feedback or any information on what that could be. Because BMW did the whole care package. They changed a lot of shit. They changed timing chain, a bunch of stuff. The fuel pump. I did all the recalls. So the question is this something I should be concerned about and get rid of the car, or am I good to go and keep driving? Somebody help me. I'm new to this N63 engine, N53, N63, something like that. I have the N20 over there. That's the daily. It's treating me great. I don't hear this. I just want to know if it's something I should be concerned about, or not to hesitate, not to worry, and just drive it. Let me know, please. Somebody comment, share, tell me something.